Good day to all. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, our topic is machine tool. Title Fine Adjustable Boring Bar. The motto of this work is Flexibility Introduction in Machine Toolbars. And also, this work patented with the Indian Intellectual Property Rights of India. Okay, the patent number is 354611. You can refer through Indian Patent Office also. The introduction of that invention is to build a machine tool has most efficient, flexible, and ease of adjusting for boring different diameters. Because in previous days there is no flexibility available with the boring bar what they are utilizing in industries. So to get different diameter at the same boring bar is the difficult task. For that, this work tries to achieve that. Okay, the main challenges with this work are cannot cover different diameters with the same toolbar. Okay, from this invention we can make from 5 mm to 100 mm, or otherwise we can increase the topology means we can also increase the topology of and the geometry of the toolbar with respect to the job nature. In previous more complex toolbars are available. For the reason the cost of the production will be increased, high cost for different toolbar with a different diameter. For the reason we have to go for new toolbars for production, which are the big challenges available with the industries. For solving this problem, we have to invent the flexible machine toolbar, which is boring bar. Okay, the working architecture of the toolbar is the shank part. As shown in figure, there is one. Okay, one is the shank part. The two fasteners. Fastener is used to connect the main body and the shank with each other. And also there are 4, 5, 6 part numbers are described about the adjustable screw bar for the movement of control the movement of boring bar within the main body. Okay, for the reason there are a lot of working architecture available. From the figure top side, the top left side, which is the normal schematic, under that second diagram, which is center of the slide, there is for the side view of the toolbar, and the third one is bottom view of the toolbar. Okay, these are all the working architecture available with the flexible machine toolbar. So similar to same, the detailed diagram available with the working architecture in this slide. So at the same shank part, but the cross section, cutting cross section, I show you. Okay, in that there are 4, 5, 6 are the screw mechanisms which is used to the boring bar sliding on the guideways. Okay, and after that one shank part is used to fix the toolbar on the machine tool. Okay, machine tool spindle. The second part number is used to join the main body it into the shank. The three part number 3 is known as main body of the toolbar. Okay, which are all the parts available with the toolbar. Okay, then which is the photograph, real photograph of the inventor toolbar. The toolbar is attached with the drilling to machine tools, machine spindle. Okay, from that we can able to get the rotatory motion for the tool. Okay, after that the bottom view, the realistic image of photographic view of toolbar's bottom side. Here you can see the guideway of the toolbar, the and also the boring bar. The in top side there is screw. We can adjust that screw. From that screw adjustment, you can slide the boring bar within the guideways. These are all the mechanism available with the inventor toolbar. After that, the construction, the general information about the construction of the boring bar. A fine adjustable boring bar includes a boring bar shank, that is part 1, and a main body, that is part 3. The boring bar shank part, which is part you are referred with the previous slides. The shank part is configured to removably mount the fine adjustable boring bar onto a machine tool. Generally, the shank part is used to mount the toolbar into the machine tool, that is machine spindle. The boring bar shank part one is detachably mounted on one end to a main body via fasteners. Fasteners is used to clamp the main body into the shank. Okay, the main body comprises a vertical guideway having a guide block for receiving a slidably engaged boring toolbar. The guideways helps the boring bar movement it into the slideways. Okay, after that the adjustable screw setup 4, 5, 6, what you are shown in the attached figures is disposed horizontally relative to the vertical guideway and threadably engaged to the boring tool. Okay, the 10th part number is boring tool, so that we can slide that tool within the guideways through slide through the with the aid of screws. Okay, an adjustable alignment of the adjustable screw setup 456 causes a vertical movement of the boring tool, thereby adjusting the achieved depth of cut. From that boring bar adjustment, we can achieve the depth of cut of boring operation. Okay. Likewise, the construction is built up for further operation. After that, mechanism. What all the mechanisms are associated with that invention? The photographs and the sketches illustrates the invented boring bar front view, bottom view and top view respectively. In that normal boring bar shank pot is attached to invented adjustable boring tool. The guideway guides the boring tool and the guide block transversely with the use of adjustable screw setup. The dimensions of transverse movement are controlled with the aid of micrometer. That means what I told where I place the micrometer means according to your previous slide there is photos available. In that photo there is top side there is screw. In that screw we can attach the micrometer. From that we can adjust 0.01 least count and the 0.01 movement cross side movement of boring toolbar is achieved. Okay. These are all the mechanisms are available with that toolbar. The shank part of this boring bar is attached with the machine tool rotatable sleeve. After that, the next mechanism is this boring bar allows the various boring diameters during the actual machining process with a single tooling setup. Which means here you see the boring bar is available, the screw setup is also available. If you adjust the screw, you can get the transverse motion within the guideways, so that you can move the boring bar within the guideways. From that you can achieve the different diameter with respect to the boring diameter. Okay, which happens with the large diameter also, because we can increase the diameter of the boring bar. So topology is same, but you can change the geometry with respect to the requirement of geometrical, which means boring bar diameter. Okay, boring bar, not a boring bar, boring hole diameter requirement. Okay, after that, the boring bar has a main body that connects to and is rotated by the machine tool sleeve. The where the boring bar gets the power means which can get the power through the drilling machine or boring machine sleeve. Okay, a precision mechanism travels back and forth within the main body actuated by the linear movement screw setup of a boring bar with the micrometer adjustment. Already I told you where I locate the micrometer. It's in the screw. The top side there is screw is available. In that you can fix the micrometer. From that you can achieve the precise diameter of the boring hole. Okay. After that, the dimensions of the transverse movement are controlled with the aid of micrometer. Likewise, I explained the things. Okay, the shank part of this boring bar is attached with the machine tool rotatable sleeve. Machine tool, every machine tool, drilling machine or milling machine, every machine tool has its own machine sleeves. Okay, which means with a machine spindle. Within the machine spindle, we can adopt this boring bar setup for achieving the different diameter boring with the same toolbar. Okay. After that, next mechanism, the boring bar allows the various boring diameters during the actual machining process with a single tooling setup. The boring bar has a main body that connects to and is rotated by the machine tool sleeve. Already I told you how the rotationary motion transfer to boring bar. Likewise, I already demonstrate so that you can understand from this. Now, the precision mechanism travels back and forth within the main body, actuated by the linear movement screw setup of boring bar with the micrometer adjustment. Okay, where I locate the micrometer with the boring bar, I explained earlier, so that you are aware about how we fix the micrometer on a given boring bar. In that case, again I tell you, in the boring bar there is screw available. In that screw you can locate the micrometer. From that you can achieve the 0.01 mm movement of boring bar tool. Okay, the boring of the the body of the boring bar consists of bolt for assembling the shank part and the body of the tool bar and the bottom cover attached with the body with the bolt. Already the part numbers I explained. What are the fasteners available with the boring bar? Like there are part numbers available, the two part number shows here screws. Okay, the part number 2 shows the screws and the fastener setup. From this we can attach the main body into the shank part. Okay, okay, the shank part of this boring bar is attached with the machine tool rotatable sleeve, and also the toolbar and the bottom cover attached with the body with the bolt. Likewise, that sketches. Okay, that schematics. After that, the shank is attached with the machine tool rotatable sleeve. The transverse motion of bearing bar and the guide block is controlled by adjustable screw setup. Already aware about what is adjustable screw setup, what is guide block. Likewise, the boring tool is attached on the guide block. The guide block transfers through the micrometer screw. Okay, from this we can achieve the transverse motion of the boring bar. Okay, the screw setup is used to back and forth motion of the boring bar, and the fine tuning is carried out with the aid of micrometer. From the back and forth motion of boring bar, depth of cut is achieved and the metal is removed from the drilled hole transversely. The boring which happens after drilling of the hole, from that we can achieve the different diameter through this boring bar only. Okay, the different diameter we can achieve. Okay, for the reason we invent this kind of flexible boring bar. After that, feasibility. What are the feasibility, probability, reduced operating cost, scaling up down to any materials? We can use CNC machine tool also, which is not for traditional machines. We can replace this boring bar for CNC machines also. And also, educating the operators is simpler for adjusting the transverse screws. Okay, so that we can easily educate the operators. Okay, these are all the feasibility available with this for fine adjustable boring bar. And I explained. You can see the video for understanding the process. Okay, in the video, first we are replacing the wood part for producing the boring operation. Initially, we drilled the hole with the aid of drill bit on that wooden piece. After that, we enlarge that hole with the aid of our invented boring bar. Likewise, we may get the enlarged hole through drilled hole. Okay, this is the operation carried out by our toolbar. Yes, we can enlarge the hole with the flexible adjustable boring bar. Okay, fine adjustable boring bar. Okay, like you see here, operator adjusted the screws with the Allen key. Okay, the micrometer is fixed with respect to the application of toolbar and the requirement of workpiece. Okay, so that we can fix the micrometer on that screw also possible. Now he fixed the tool. Okay, after that he starts the rotatable sleeve. From this we can achieve the boring operation through that invented toolbar. Now we try with the metals, which is mild steel. First we initially tried with the wooden pieces. Now we try with the mild steel and the metals. Okay, which can be used for plastic also. For different materials we can replace this boring bar. Okay, but you can change the cutter. Here we are replacing the HSS tool bit. Okay, you see, it removes the material from the workpiece what we are expecting the boring diameter from the drilled hole. Then next the operator adjusts the further next diameter. Okay, so that we can get the different diameter with the same toolbar. Okay, for the reason he won't go for any other further operations for adjusting the boring attachment. Likewise, okay, he did the same with the machine tool itself. He did the operation with the machine tool itself. He can change the diameter of the boring bar and the transverse length of the boring tool within the guideways. He adjusts the tool. Okay, from that he achieved the next diameter on the same hole. Okay, these are all the processes available with the fine adjustable boring bar during the operation. And also we can apply coolant also during the operation, machining operation, for cooling the tool and the workpiece interface. Okay, like what operator did. Okay, Initially, we may drill first 10 mm diameter. After that, we may enlarge that hole it into 12 mm. After that, the operator adjusted the boring bar to 15 mm. From that, he achieved the 15 mm diameter of the boring bar. Likewise, we may change lot of diameter with the same toolbar. This is the biggest constraint available with today's industries. Okay, for every hole, the industrial person goes with the different toolbars, different diameter boring bars. From that, he can achieve the different diameter bore, the different bore diameter. For solving the problem, we invent this toolbar uh, for achieving different diameter of different diameter of bore with the same toolbar. Okay. After that, the target customer. What are the target customer of this invention is machining industries, and also all other manufacturing industries needs this kind of boring bars. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. For having any doubts, you may ask through my comment box. Thank you.